Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. If heart multiplied by 4 is a club, then and club minus heart is 60, then what is the value of club plus heart? Let's see. We are given heart multiplied by 4 equal to a club. So that means that 4 times heart is equal to 1 times a club. Right? So also we are given that 1 times a club minus 1 times a heart is 60. So we know 1 times a club can be written as 4 times a heart. So 4 times a heart minus 1 times a heart is equal to 60. So 4 times heart minus 1 times heart is 3 times heart. If 3 times heart is equal to 60, so that must mean that 1 times a heart has to be 60 divided by 3. Therefore, one heart has to be equal to 60 divided by 3, which is 20. Now we have values of both heart and a club. Since one heart is 20, we can say one club is equal to 4 times a heart, so which is equal to 4 times 20, so which is equal to 80. Now you can find out what is one heart plus one club. It is 80 plus 20, which is equal to 100. So one club plus one heart is equal to 100. This is the answer. Answer is option D.